I'm Josh Cormier, and you are watching This Funky House. This funky house is a Mediterranean-style home located on 4 acres in the heart of Nampa. Surrounded by water, it's like its own little private island. This particular piece of property has not 3, but 4 potential rentable units. We got a lot to cover, so let's rock and roll.
What's the password?
All right, let's step in here. We're gonna show you the lounge. You'll find the double trade coffered ceilings with the rope lighting, casting the really gentle ambient light. Step into the master bedroom. Really grand, spacious master. Buy this home today and get a heated travertine floor included with the purchase of the home, absolutely free. So let's step from our master bedroom into the master bath portion of our master suite. Obviously my favorite part, because it's the funkiest, is that you have a complete spa room. Japanese soaking tub, don't see too many of those, and a steam room. A cool thing about the Mediterranean floor plan is never really goes out of style. Some of the interesting features that this place has. Viking Appliances. So the product that you have in here is as good as any commercial kitchen. Noodle hose. Funky feature about this house. This house has 15 exterior doors. Reason for that is that this home is and was a wedding venue. So when they hosted big events to control the flow of traffic through the home, they put in a bunch of extra doors to keep people from passing through their private space. Speaking of private space, see you in a minute. Now things really start to get funky. We're on the 2nd level of the home. Take you through the guest room. There's this incredible wooden shared deck that runs the length of the inner courtyard on the 2nd level of the home. Come with me if you want to leave. We're gonna pass through our Jack and Jill bathroom. Guest room number 2, make a great office space. We enter now our grand theater room. Imagine hosting your BSU game day party. Screen down, you got your theater seats here, pool table right there, card table there, mini bar there. This is a sweet room with a ton of potential. Your hallway seemingly to nowhere. Nowhere? Not at all. This is the bedroom of your attached rental unit. We're gonna go downstairs and surprise you with a whole second kitchen. This is the main level, newly remodeled I might add, of your attached rental unit. Living room space, kitchen, missing nothing here, roughly 800 square foot. And because this is a hosting house, there's a very unusual exterior entrance into the bathroom. Funky. Some of what makes this property truly great is the actual property. Like I said, you're on 4 acres. It creates an incredible barrier from the road, an incredible amount of privacy on this hidden 4 acres. With this big old thick concrete pad is basically the ballroom for when they hosted weddings. But this is the tent, it's like a circus tent to give coverage on this gigantic stamped concrete pad. Very unique, very cool. Dare I say, very funky. Farmland for acres. It's so open it feels like you're in deep rural Idaho, but you're not. You're just a couple of minutes away from Nampa. Apples are still good. Oh, they're real good. Here's your gazebo on the creek. No doubt where they hosted many a weddings, where many a happy couple fused their bond of marriage. And no funky house would be complete without a tri-leveled back patio with a view of the creek and 10 open acres. Ah, heated driveway. What a fabulously funky feature for this funky house to feature. In order to get to this property, you have to cross through a parking lot, a church parking lot. And then you got a bridge over the canal to get to the home. Think about this, it's funky, but it also offers an incredible amount of privacy. Well, thanks for coming over to check out this fantastically funky piece of land. If you're interested in this property, it is for sale now and ready for you to call it home. If you like these videos, please show us you do by liking, subscribing, sharing, and following. I'm Josh Cormier, and I'll see you next time on This Funky House.